Hey everyone, you're sitting on a park bench, scrolling through your phone. Suddenly, a notification pops up. You've received £50 from friend's name. A smile spreads across your face. But what if you don't have a Monzo account? Can someone still send you money? Hook. Let's dive into the world of Monzo and find out. Building context. Monzo is a popular digital bank known for its sleek app and innovative features. It's a great option for those who want a more convenient and paperless banking experience. But when it comes to receiving money, does Monzo limit you to transfers from other Monzo users? Answering the question. The short answer is yes, you can definitely receive money from someone who doesn't have a Monzo account. Here's how it works. Bank transfers. One of the most common ways to send money to a Monzo account is through a bank transfer. Simply provide your Monzo account details, including the sort code and account number, to the sender. They can then initiate a transfer from their own bank. Instant transfers. If you're looking for a faster option, many banks offer instant transfers. These transfers typically arrive within a few minutes or hours. Mobile payment apps. Popular mobile payment apps like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay can also be used to send money to a Monzo account. Just add your Monzo card to the app and select it as the recipient. Cash deposits. While not as common, you can sometimes deposit cash directly into your Monzo account. This might involve using a cash machine or visiting a partner location. Additional considerations. Fees. Be aware that some banks or payment methods may charge fees for transfers. It's always a good idea to check with your bank or the sender's bank to avoid any unexpected costs. International transfers. If you're dealing with international transfers, there might be additional fees and processing times involved. Make sure to research the specific requirements and costs associated with international transfers. Monzo's own features. Monzo also offers its own features for sending and receiving money, such as Monzo Pots and Monzo Friends. These features can make it easier to manage your finances and share money with friends and family. Real-life examples. Let's explore some real-life scenarios where someone might send money to a Monzo account. Splitting bills. When going out with friends, you can easily use Monzo to split the bill. One person can pay the entire bill and then request the others to send their share via bank transfer or a mobile payment app. Sending gifts. Want to send a friend a birthday gift? You can transfer money to their Monzo account and let them choose what they want to buy. Getting paid. If you're a freelancer or contractor, you might receive payments from clients directly into your Monzo account. Receiving money from family abroad. If you have family living overseas, they can send you money using international transfer services. Conclusion. As you can see, there are multiple ways to send money to a Monzo account, even if the sender doesn't have a Monzo account themselves. Whether it's a quick transfer from a friend or a larger payment from a client, Monzo offers a convenient and secure way to receive money. End. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.